Hi friends, it's Mr. Chad again. In this video, we're going to review, remember 2D and 3D shapes, So, you have some papers that have cut and paste. That means you cut them out and you put them in the square that they go, We have one for square and cube, sphere and cylinder, circle and cylinder, and triangle and cone. So you are sorting the shapes. You are deciding where they go, and the other thing we have is a little quiz for you to take at the end, and I'll read that to you. All right, so you may remember, you may have to watch this video again because I am going over a lot of stuff, so I'm going to go quick. So watch it again to find the instructions. All right, so let's start off with square and cube. Now we have a 2D and 3D shape. Do you know which one is 2D? That's right, the square is 2D. Squares are flat. You can write them on a piece of paper. Cube is 3D. Cube you can hold in your hand. A cube has 6 flat surfaces that are made of squares. So we're going to sort, So we have a block of ice, a box, a window, a picture frame, a window, like a picture, a fly swatter, a present, and a die, So each one of these has their own place, So if it goes, so for instance, this one's a cube of ice. I know that I can hold a cube of ice in my hand. It is not flat, So I would put it over here. Let's look at a different one. This fly swatter is flat, I know that if I put it on a table, it lays flat, I can put my hand on top of it. It is flat, so I would put it over here at the square. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is sphere and cylinder. A sphere is like a ball. It is round and can roll. A cylinder has curved sides and 2 flat surfaces. Those flat surfaces are circles. They both can roll, but the sphere has no flat surfaces. The cylinder has 2 flat surfaces. All right, let's see. That's a basketball, so I would put it over here by sphere. That's a trash can. I'm going to put it over here by cylinder, So if it looks like a cylinder, you put it in this place. If it looks like a sphere, you put it over here, You can also draw lines if you need to, just like I did, if you don't have scissors. Let's go to the next one. Next we have circle and cylinder. Circle and cylinder. So, a circle is flat. A cylinder is not flat. So a circle has 2D shape, a cylinder is 3D shape, A cylinder you can hold in your hand, you can roll it. A circle is flat. It's something you can draw on a piece of paper. Or it lays flat on a table. So like for instance, this looks like another picture frame, and so I'm going to put it over here by circle, because I can tell that it's round, has curved surfaces, it is flat like a 2D shape. Cylinder, this one has 2 flat surfaces, one on top and one on bottom, and a curved sides. So I'm going to put it over here by cylinder. All right. The last page, or the last practice worksheet, is triangle and cone. Look at the differences. A triangle is a flat 2D shape. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. A cone is a 3D shape. It has 1 flat surface on the bottom, curved sides, and a point at the top. So look at this. I see this just looks just like a cone, so I'm going to put it over here. This pizza is flat. It looks like a triangle. I'm going to put it over here. So do the rest by yourself. All right, last, we're going to do our little quiz, So, here we have 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional figures, So, some of these are 2-dimensional, 2D, and some are 3D. Remember, 2D is flat, 3D is not. You can hold it in your hand, all right? So, which one, a sphere. Is a sphere 2D or 3D? 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional? A sphere is 3-dimensional. It is not flat. You can hold it in your hand, You can roll it like a ball. It is a 3-dimensional shape, A cylinder. A cylinder also is 3D. It is not flat. What about this octagon? Is it flat? Yes, it is. It is a 2D shape. It is flat. So it is 2-dimensional, Alright, so what about this one? I'll let you do these by yourself. This is a rectangular prism. We haven't talked about this shape, but do you know if it's 2D or 3D? Is it flat, or can you hold it in your hand? Is it two-dimensional or three-dimensional? Okay. What about this one? Is it flat or can you hold it in your hand? Can you lay it flat on a table? Is it two-dimensional or three-dimensional? Two-dimensional is flat, three-dimensional is not. What about this cube? Is it 2D or 3D? Two-dimensional or three-dimensional? Does it lay flat on a table? Can you hold it in your hand? Two-dimensional is flat, three-dimensional is not. You can hold it in your hand. Okay, how about this one? Color the 3D shape figures. So on this, we have several shapes. We have cube, rectangle, triangle, circle, and cylinder. Color the shapes that are 3D. Only the shapes that are 3D. So I'll color the 3D shapes on this one. I know a cube is 3D. I can hold it in my hand. It is not flat. A cylinder is also 3D. It is not flat. I can hold it in my hand. It has flat surfaces, but it is not a flat shape. How about this one? Color the 3D figures. Which ones are 3D? Which ones can you hold in your hand? Which ones lay flat on a table? Which ones are flat? Okay, so count how many 3D. So here we have two 3D. Now count how many 3D and write your number. And this one says 2D, okay? So these say 3D, but this one says 2D. So look for the shapes that are flat, that you can lay flat on a table, that you can draw on a piece of paper. Okay? How many are there? Write your number. All right. Now, friends, I did not. We didn't talk a lot about this in class or in our packet, so you won't get a grade on this, but this is to help you remember, okay, for your test, to help you think about 2D and 3D shapes, okay? All right, but make sure you do all these sheets correctly. Do your best, okay? This is to help you practice for your test next week. All right. See you next video.